the fourth reassessment video. We're going to do division algorithm. So partitive division is when you start with some things, give an equal amount of things to a fixed number of groups, and count how many things end up in one or each group. So we use partitive division because it's easier rather than hand out one cookie at a time. For example, we have a word problem here. A school has 2,890 cookies. If there are 34 classrooms, how many does each classroom get? So instead of handing out 2,890 cookies one by one to each classroom, it's easier to use partitive division to make it more efficient and just easier way to divide. So we can write this out in a division problem. So we have 2,890 divided by 34. So this is the, you start with some things, alright, so 2,890, and give an equal amount, which is 34, of things to a fixed number of groups, alright. So we're giving 2,890 to a fixed number of groups, which is 34 classrooms. So let's divide this. Alright, so dividing, you want to find what is the number you can fit into each number. So we can do sub-problems, or kind of divide this problem up into little problems to make it more easier. And we're really counting how much stuff is in each group after you equally share 2,890 things among 34 groups, because we are trying to find how many times does 34 go into this number. And we can divide this up because we're working with different units. We're working with 0 singles, 9 rods, 8 flats, and 2 supercubes. So we can start the problem by trying to find out how many times does 34 go into just 2. So we're going to start out by just dividing this problem up. So 2. 34 cannot go into 2, so that would be 0. So we put this 0 up here to represent that 34 does not go into 2. 0 times. So now how many times does 34, the fixed number of groups, go into 28? And just like I said before, we are dividing this number up into smaller groups to make it easier, and we are working with different units. So we can't just try and divide this